Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change your workspace name in Clickup in the updated 2026 layout. It's a simple tweak, but the setting's kind of hidden, so yeah, here's how to do it. First, look at the bottom left corner and click your workspace name, then open Settings. Inside Settings, click Workspace Details or General. You'll see your current workspace name at the top. Just click the text field, type your new name, and you're good. You can also change your workspace icon if you want something more personalized, then hit Save or Update, although ClickUp usually auto-saves, and your new workspace name updates instantly. Check your sidebar to make sure it changed. You'll see the new name right away. On mobile, the steps are the same. Open the app, go to Workspace Settings, and rename it. And if you don't see the option, it just means you're not an admin. Only workspace owners or admins can rename the workspace. And that's it. That's how to change your workspace name in ClickUp for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.